Hi guys, welcome back to the first part of this Become an Angular Developer course. If you didn't catch the introduction video, this course is a very high level overview of the areas you'll need to be familiar with to begin programming with the Angular framework. We will do this in small steps using the least technical terms possible to allow us to start to understand programming with the Angular framework. Outputs, as I'm sure you are imagining, are the opposite of inputs. But let's just go over a simple example. Let's imagine a login form with the username, password and sign-in button on it. Now let's imagine we have a login form on a login component, and the login component is inside another component, maybe a home.component.ts file. Don't be concerned with anything after the home in the name above. What normally happens when a user enters their login details is they are sent to a database to be checked. So we would want to pass the user's details out of the login component to the home component and then send them off to the database. Using an output property is a little more technical than the input, so you will have to bear with me. In the case of using our output property, the user clicks the sign-in button, an event would be fired in the login component, which relates to the output property. This can be caught by the home component and then sent to the database. Unless you have had experience with this already, I'm sure that does not fully make sense. We will dig into it in another post and see an example. We could have really oversimplified the output by just stating it was opposite to the input, but it would not have helped you. At least we have touched on some of the technical aspects of the output property by mentioning events.